Hello Sanbonani, my name is CBO. Thank you so much for coming through to watch my video. Today we are making a dessert that is easy, fast to prepare and delicious. Let's begin. Put cherries into a pan, add sugar and lemon juice. About a tablespoon of lemon juice. In a small bowl, mix cornstarch with water or the juice from the cherries. Please check the description box for a list of ingredients and more information. Now, put the cornstarch into the pan and cook at medium heat until it is thick and reduce the heat to low. From medium to low. Here I'm showing the cherries I've used and other options that you have out there. You can use fresh cherries or frozen ones. If the sauce is too thick, add more juice or water. Remember to add a tablespoon at a time for a right consistency or that you like. Add butter just for a rich texture. This is optional, adding butter. Here I'm showing that the sauce is thick enough to cool it down entirely. Now let's make the crust. In a bowl, add flour, oatmeal and ground cinnamon. Grate fresh nutmeg, add salt and sugar. A warm welcome to those new to this channel. I hope you like it here. Mix these dry ingredients first, then pour melted butter. Mix with a fork to avoid large clumps. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't and press the notification bell to be notified of the new posts. Now we assemble all the ingredients. Place the cooled sauce in a baking pan and spread it to fill the whole pan. Sprinkle the crunch on top or the flour mix on top of the sauce. Do not touch or press the flour once it lands in the sauce. That is to avoid it getting wet. It won't be crunchy if it's wet. Add pieces of butter on top of the flour mix. This is optional as well. Bake for 30 minutes. I would like you to do me this favor. Press the like button and leave a comment below to add more value to this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye-bye.